I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Wash and dry the area so the oil absorbs. Shake the bottle, then lightly spray one time on your inner forearm and wait 10 to 15 seconds to check tolerance. If there's no strong sting, you can move on. For small areas, use about 3 sprays. For larger areas like thighs, use up to 10. Once done, gently rub the oil in using circular motions so it spreads evenly and begins to absorb into the skin. Now focus on getting magnesium into your skin. Massage for about 20 to 30 seconds to increase contact and absorption. If you're sensitive, leave it on for only 20 minutes. If you tolerate it well, aim for up to 60 minutes. Make sure to avoid clothing that will rub it off immediately. Give it time to bond with skin. Once done, you can rinse or gently towel off any white residue, and then apply a light moisturizer if your skin feels dry or tight. Finish by noting frequency. 1 to 2 times daily is common, and keep a simple log of skin reactions and benefits. If you experience burning or intense itch, immediately rinse with cool water and apply a gentle moisturizer. Do not cover with occlusive dressings. If a rash persists, stop use and consult a healthcare provider. Make sure to store the bottle in a cool place and label it with the date so you can track potency and any correlations between batches and your skin's response.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.